Rescuers struggle to save a man from floodwaters in northeastern Turkey. He is just one of the many people caught up in the disaster in the province of Artvin.
We tried everything to rescue those people, but it was not easy to save them all.
Turkish television says 5 people have been killed in the floods caused by torrential rains. Roads and homes have been destroyed in the town of Borchka and nearby villages. 3 of the victims were women found under the rubble of a building. The TV station also reported a child was found alive in debris. 2 weeks ago, 32 people were killed in flash floods in Istanbul after the heaviest rainfall in 80 years. Several people are still missing. Rescue teams are sifting through rubble in the hope of saving more lives. Gabriella Podimane, Reuters.